Wyatt Andrews is also at the Supreme Court this morning. And Wyatt, I wonder if you would remind us of the stakes of all of this. There are more than 50 million Americans who do not have health insurance.
Scott, the total, I think the last CBO reports is between 53 million Americans do not have health insurance, but that doesn't tell the whole story. Without the Affordable Care Act going into effect, the number is projected to go to 60 million over the next decade. And that doesn't count the tens of millions of Americans who, as you know, in the last recession, either are afraid of losing their jobs or lost their jobs and their health insurance outright. So for decades, a majority of the American people, even if they hated the mandate, even if they were afraid of the cost of this law, for about 24 years, going back to the Bush-Dukakis election, a majority of Americans have wanted something done about the plight of the uninsured. The uninsured tend to be sicker, they don't go to the doctor, they're also not as productive because they don't work as much, and they're far more prone to be vulnerable to bankruptcy. So the stakes in this law really, outside of the politics, is this a win for Obama? Is this a win for the Republicans? Outside of all those politics, we have 53 million Americans out there waiting to see how this ruling unfolds.
Wyatt, thank you very much.